Keling Medical Devices Company, Limited is a medical device professional R&D and production enterprise with over 25 years of brand reputation. Turn on the power switch. AC is the external power switch, DC is the internal power switch. Press the unlock key until the indicator light is on. Press the desired action button, and the operating bed will perform the corresponding action. Unlock the chassis. Lock the chassis. Various actions are also controlled by the panel controller. The position of the arm support is adjusted horizontally by the gas spring.